Hey, let me show you what you can do if you are connected with your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE into your device, but one of your earbud is not playing sound, or it will also work if one of your earbud is not connecting. So first of all, on your device, just make sure that you have disconnect and then unpair that device, the Buds 3 FE. Also, just turn off Bluetooth on your device. And right now, I will highly recommend you to simply grab the charging case, make sure that both earbuds are inside, open this cover, and now you will have to click and hold this pairing button that is located on the bottom. Just click and hold it. Now when it's blinking in the 3 different colors, you will have to release, but keep that case open. Now on your device, click over here, turn on Bluetooth, and simply wait for available devices. Now pick the Buds 3 FE. Wait for pairing request. It should actually take around a few moments. If it is still actually connecting, you can go into the Google Play Store and you will have to search for Galaxy wearable application. If you are using them on iPhone, then this application is actually not available. So you will have to actually connect into any Android phone. You will have to just simply download this application. Now, as you can see, when we are successfully connected, we have to actually go back for wearable application. Just simply open it, click start, select Buds 3 FE from available devices list. Just simply accept everything one by one. We should be all set, just like that. Now go to the earbuds settings and select reset options. Click here to reset. Now, as you can see, the reset is complete. And now you will have to just simply pair them one more time with your phone by using this pairing button shortcut. And now everything should be fine. If it is still not working, then I will highly recommend you to send that device to warranty, because there's like no any other way that you can fix it by yourself.